Okay, a different day, still the same chapter. Question 17 is next on the list. So, question 17 of chapter 3, year 1 book. Okay, what do we have here? Find the set of values of x for which the curve with the equation y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 15 is below the line, so that means we are looking for it to be less than, below the line with the equation 8 plus 2x equals y. So already there we've set up the two equations so that they are equal. So let's bring this across. We'll bring the 2x to the left, so we end up with 2x squared minus x, no, not minus x, plus x. Okay, bring the 8 across, that's minus 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 23 minus 23 is less than 0. Okay, solving this equation then for x, we end up with x is equal to, and x is equal to, and I'm putting it straight into the calculator to work it out for the quadratic. Okay, so polynomials, and we have coefficients of 2, 1, and minus 23, and we get solutions of, ooh, that's not particularly nice, minus 1 plus the square root of 185 all over 4, and 1 minus the square root of 185 all over 4. Okay, and that is x is equal to minus 3.650, and what's the other one? 3.150. Okay. So putting that in as an inequality, 3.15 is the small one. So 3.15 is less than x is less than 3 minus 3.65. And I've just seen the minus, so I need to swap both of those numbers round. Okay, so minus 3.65 and 3.15 to 3 significant figures. All right. Right then. Question 18 to finish off almost this chapter. On a coordinate grid section, shade the region that satisfies these two equations. So what do we have? We've got y is greater than x squared plus 4x minus 12, and we have y is less than 4 minus x squared. Okay, so first things first is we need to actually draw these two equations. Okay, so this one here, we have got a difference of 2 squares. So this is the same as saying y is less than 2 plus x, 2 minus x, which gives us where it crosses the coordinates. So it's going to be an N-shaped graph, and it's going to go through at 2 and minus 2, and it's going to cut through at 4. This one, on the other hand, okay, is going to be y is less than 3 and 4, I think is what we want on this. So x, 3 and 4, no, 2 and 6. 2 and 6 will work better with it, because we can do a positive 2 a positive 6 and a negative 2. Okay, so we have x equals 2, x equals minus 6 on that one. We have x equals minus 2. We have x equals 2 on this one. Okay, so as we draw these out, minus 12 and there, 4 there. Okay, let's draw them. Label up your axes. X, Y, coming across the 2, so we don't need to go very far across on the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we are going up to 4, but we're also going down to 12. So I think we will go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and coming up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so minus 2, minus 4, 6, 8, 10, minus 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so x is 2, x is minus 6, 2, minus 6, and it goes through the at the 12, at the minus 12, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So this is the lowest point about here. So the lowest point is somewhere around here. And we're going to come through here, through the 2, through the minus 12. And then when we're at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we're at minus 2, we will be at the lowest point. So about there. And then scooting ourselves back up to go through minus 6 to make a not very symmetrical graph, but a symmetrical graph all the same. And then the other one is a between 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2, and it's cutting at 4. So we have got like this. There we go. Okay, so we wanted it to be y is greater than, so that's on the right hand side, and y is less than on this one. So for the greater than on this one of the x squared plus 4x minus 12, that's everything that's on the inside of the curve, like this. Okay. For y is less than 4 minus x squared, that is everything that is below this graph. Okay, and so since they want us to have an and in here, they want to know this section and that section, it's where they both cross over. So our final section then as an answer is what I'm highlighting in green, which is this region of this almond shape in here. Okay. We should also point out that not only should we have that almond shape, but we should have dotted lines on the graph because they are less than, not less than or equal to. So let's finish it up. I'm going to take out all of them, just take that one out because it overlaps. So this area and this area, and it should be dotted lines on the graphs. because there's no equals. Okay. Number 19. Again, shade 3 different graphs by the looks of it. No, 4 different graphs. Okay. So what do we have? We've got y plus x is less than 6. We've got y is less than 2x plus 9. We've got y is greater than 3. And we've got x is greater than 0. Okay, quick rearrangement on the first one so that we get y is less than minus x plus 6, putting it as y equals mx plus c. So we need a plus 6, we need a plus 9, y is 3. Okay, not a huge axis on this one. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Plus 9, 5, 10, 15. I think we will go for. Okay, so a minus x plus 6, so it's going through here at 6, and it will also be coming through here at 6. So first line here is coming through there. Let's just adjust that slightly. Can I? There we go. Okay. And so that is y is less than minus x plus 6. Again, it should be dotted. So it should be a dotted line. We'll see if we can find that in a minute. Okay, 2x plus 9. So we're up here on the 2. We're up here on the plus 9. Okay. And by the time we have come across 1, so by 4.5, we should climb that. So 4.5 is about here. And so we should have the straight line coming across at that point. Okay. Let's extend that one to there. Very good. Okay. And again, that should be another dotted line. Okay. 2x plus 9. And then we want y is greater than 3. So where is y equal to 3? Somewhere around 2.5, 3. What happened there? There we go. And x is greater than 0. Okay, so that is just the y coordinate. So when x is greater than 0, it's everything to the right of it. Okay. Y is greater than 3, that's everything above this bottom red line. Okay. When y is less than, that's everything below this line, I think. Okay. And when y is less than the minus 2x, which is below this line. Okay. So let's highlight that in. So we've got everything to the right of here. We have everything above this line. Okay. We have everything that is below 2x plus 9, so that's everything that's below this line. And we have everything that is below the minus 6 plus 6. And so the area which is shaded by all 4 points is this triangle in here. And like I said, it should have a dotted line on it. Okay, I can't colour it in any better than that. Good. All right. On to the challenge question then in a new video just to finish off this chapter.